Welcome to Tapalan. Today, itutur ko kayo around this breathtaking view deck located in Upuplas, Sudipen, La Union. There are two ways to reach Tapalan, via Sudipen or Bangar, La Union, but I strongly suggest taking the Bangar route since developed na yung mga daan.
Check natin kung anong makikita sa taas. Woo! I can feel the breeze. Hello, Philippines!
Lakas ng hangin ah.
Sarap! Akyat tayo dito sa kanilang view deck. Wow! This is their view deck. Look at the view! So that's the sunset. Yun na yung dagat. West Philippine Sea ba yan?
Hindi ko lang.
So yan yung dagat. And I think that's the Ambugayan River. And yun pala yung ano. Kita mo ba? Yun yung if you want to stay overnight, they have accommodation also. So if gusto nyo magpalipas ng buong gabi or you just want to stay, pwede kayo doon. I think allowed din mag-camping dito for a minimal fee. Basta you have to inform them lang in advance.
Sa baba ng view deck, may nakitang duyan ang besh natin. Kaya sige, magduyan tayo. Ay, basta pala, lipat tayo sa kabila. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa Tapalan ay may maluwag silang parking area. May mga kubo din sila if gusto nyong magpahinga. Meron din silang cafe which they called Wendy's Cup of Joy that serves some drinks and snacks. Tapos dito, may mga nagka-camping yata as of the moment kasi may mga gamit so we cannot enter. Tapos ito yung parang kabana nila. May mga gamit kasi so wag na lang tayong umakyat doon. Baka may mawalang gamit. There's a 30 pesos registration fee pala per person and kids under 5 are free. They also allow photo shoots for special events for a fee. Kindly check their page for inquiries.
So let's go sa Kamay ni Tapalan. Oh my God, parang malulula ako dito ah. Ay, kabubutan. Andito kami sa Kamay ni Tapalan.
That's all for our Tapalan tour. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!